Mischick out here making my Valentine's Day Livener Mojito Spritzer. These are all the ingredients that you would need, including the shaker and ice cube. Now, I didn't have a measuring tool to measure out any of these ingredients. I was just going with the flow. And for disclosure, I had made a video previously because I had my own Valentine's Day celebration where I made the nightcap drink. It was like a virgin Manhattan, so I was already buzzed. So here I am mixing all the ingredients. I get to the Livener. I love this one because, like I said, you feel lit, you feel live, you feel energetic. These are all the things that make you feel this way. And like I said, this is my favorite one, just hands down. I added a little bit too much, and right here I shake it off because I am buzzed. I am spilling it because I am buzzed, but it's okay because it's going to get drunk. So this is my husband's glass right here. Shake it some more. And then this is, I don't even know why I did that. I'm telling you, I was buzzed. So here is my glass, and I am scraping off some orange garnishments to make the drinks look very cutesy, presentable. And right here, I'm giving my husband his drink because we are going to cheers to this date. And he likes it. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. So I polish it off. We wait about an hour before we want to drive because we want to drive safe, even though it's all herbal. And we are heading to our date night at dinner and a movie for Valentine's Day. I love it. 3 Spirits Livener. Get this.